What if I told you that the one thing you do before sleep is either helping you manifest anything you desire, or completely blocking it? Every night, right before sleep, your subconscious mind enters its most powerful state, a state where you can manifest anything effortlessly. But here's the shocking truth: most people unknowingly sabotage their own manifestations right before they fall asleep. You might be visualizing, affirming, or scripting all day. But if you're not doing this one thing before sleep, you're keeping your desires out of reach. The key to manifesting anything, money, love, success, is hidden in the final moments before you drift off. And if you don't take control of this window, you'll keep waking up to the same reality, over and over again. In this video, I'll reveal the one thing you must do before sleep to reprogram your subconscious and manifest anything faster than ever. Miss this, and your manifestations stay stuck. Master it, and your dream life becomes inevitable. Welcome to Laws of the Universe. This is where we uncover the most powerful manifestation techniques that no one else will tell you. Stay with me till the end, because the final step is the secret that makes this work like magic. Now, let's get into it. Why your mind is a manifestation magnet before sleep. Most people don't realize this, but your brain moves through different states of consciousness throughout the day. Right before you fall asleep, your brain enters the theta state, the same state used in deep meditation and hypnosis. This is when your subconscious mind is wide open, ready to absorb anything you feed it. It doesn't question, analyze, or resist. It simply accepts. Now, think about this. What do most people do before sleep? They worry about their problems. They stress about money, relationships, or the future, and guess what? The subconscious records all of that, and turns it into reality. This is why people wake up feeling stuck in the same cycles. They are unknowingly manifesting their fears every single night. But here's the game changer. When you use this time correctly, you can reprogram your subconscious mind to attract exactly what you want. So, what's the one thing you should be doing before sleep to manifest faster than ever before? 2. The one manifestation technique before sleep, the secret. Mental rehearsal. This is a powerful technique used by elite athletes, billionaires, and top performers, and it's the fastest way to rewire your subconscious for success. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Create the scene. As you lie in bed, close your eyes and imagine your desire as if it's already real. If you want more money, see yourself checking your bank account and feeling amazed at the balance. If you want love, picture yourself in the perfect relationship, feeling deeply loved. If you want success, visualize your dream life with absolute certainty. Step 2. Feel it deeply. The key isn't just to see it, it's to feel it. Feel the excitement, the joy, the confidence. Feel the relief of already having it. Let your body experience the emotions as if it's happening right now. Step 3. Fall asleep in the state of the wish fulfilled. Drift off to sleep while holding this vision in your mind. Let it be the last thing you experience before unconsciousness takes over. Why does this work? Because your subconscious will continue replaying this vision all night long, turning it into reality. This is why so many successful people say, "I saw my success in my mind before it ever happened." You're not just thinking about it, you're programming your reality. The science behind why this works. Now, let's talk about the science. When you practice mental rehearsal, your brain creates new neural pathways, the same way it would if you were experiencing it in real life. This is why Olympic athletes train their minds just as much as their bodies. Studies show that visualizing success activates the same brain regions as actually achieving it. But here's where it gets even crazier. Your subconscious mind can't tell the difference between imagination and reality. When you believe something before sleep, your mind assumes it's real and starts attracting it into your life. This is why most people are accidentally manifesting negativity, because they go to sleep worrying instead of visualizing success. So, now you have a choice: keep repeating the old patterns, or use this powerful window to manifest the life you truly want, the final key to unlocking instant manifestation. Let's recap. Your subconscious mind is most powerful right before sleep. If you focus on worries, you'll manifest more problems. If you focus on your dreams, you'll reprogram your mind for success. The key is mental rehearsal, seeing, feeling, and believing in your desires as if they are already real. Now, I challenge you, Try this tonight, as you fall asleep, visualize your dream life as if it's already happening. Feel it. Believe it. And watch what starts to shift. If you found this video powerful, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And if you're serious about mastering the laws of the universe, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a game-changing insight. Remember, your mind creates your reality. Use the last 5 minutes before sleep wisely and watch how fast your manifestations come to life. See you in the next video.